How to use FaceTime on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use FaceTime on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is search for the FaceTime app on your phone. After you find the app, all you now need to do is open it up. So the FaceTime app already has everything that you need. You can use two options, that is, you can directly start a FaceTime or you can create a link. After you tap on create a link, you will get the option to share the link that you just created. And it's really easy. The person will just have to tap on the link and FaceTime will start. So other than that, there is an option called new FaceTime. It's right besides the create link option. You can tap on new FaceTime, and after you do that, you will see the list of people that you can FaceTime. So all you need to do is tap on the person and you can invite using a messages. So you can tap on invited messages and they will just get a message and you can start a FaceTime after they accept the message. And yeah, it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you can use FaceTime on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye guys, take care.